Welcome to the Hillbilly RV channel. Today we are at the Tamarack working on this little Class C back here. He has a propane leak, a significant leak. Let's take you back here and show you. We'll let you listen, and then we're gonna tear in this thing and see what is going on. I think you'll be able to hear it. There's a lot of ambient noise here. Listen. I don't know whether you hear that. That's a significant leak. Let's pop this cover off here and see what's going on. This cover's held on with a couple of Christmas tree fasteners. I'll show you why they call them out here in just a second. So they just push through the hole and kind of hold stuff, and they kind of look like a Christmas tree. I don't know. Is that true? I don't know. That's what they call them, cut it back on. Let's see if it's just leaking out this vent right here. Oh no, it's leaking out back here somewhere. Huh, that's wild. It's like the case is split or something. Let's pop that bad boy off there and see what's going on. That's pretty weird. All right, 7/8 wrench. We know this is a flammable gas. That nut has a groove around it. So what's that tell us? Left-hand threads. So you have to go backwards. Well, I don't know where it's coming from, but it was coming right here. Must be that crimp, where it was crimped together. Let's switcheroo it out real quick. We'll know real quick if we fixed it or not. I expected to see a crack or something, as big as that leak was. That was crazy. Okay. I have no idea. Let me go to the truck and get one of these, and well, let's get this one off here first. Finish getting it off here. Now these are right-hand threads. Let me go get the regulator. I'm gonna have to. I'll switch this fitting out, put it in the new regulator with liquid Teflon tape. I'm not gonna take you back there to the truck, show you that. The new regulator has a new POL, but we have to put that fitting in. Let me get that done real quick. Be right back. All right, got the new one assembled. Got that. Well, all I had to do is put that fitting in. Now we use liquid Teflon because there are orifices in this system, so we do not use Teflon tape. Okay, let's put our hose back on. Get that snugged up real good. vent is down. It's very important. Leaf blower up there. Let's turn it on to see what it sounds like. It sounds much better. A little soapy water. Looks great. We'll give it a few minutes. We'll spray it again. Now I won't be able to leak test this, do the drop test, because they have an electric induction cooktop, so there's no stove where we can do our drop test. The only propane appliances they have is the on-demand water heater and the furnace. Refrigerator and a furnace. So neither of them three are a really good option. I might take a look at the fridge, because I would like to do a drop test on this. That back of the fridge might be a good option. Let me go have a look, see at it. Let me look at this again, spray it again, and then we'll go look at the fridge. See if that's going to be a viable option to do the drop test. All right, no, back of the fridge is not a good option. He's going to go cut the water on, water heater, just make sure we have gas flow through the new regulator. I haven't heard him run any water yet. Feels like he's coming out of the motorhome. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what's going on. Did you try it? Oh, yeah. Okay. Ah, he had it cut off back here. Right there, it's got on-off switch. Oh, there it is. Fired right up. Okay, cool. I guess he wants to cut this back off. We'll let it go through its cool down cycle. So yeah, this is a done deal. Quickie. Oh, he started running more water. Y'all feel the heat? I know how. You know it's heating because it fogged the lens up. I did that on purpose, so y'all could feel the heat. Okay. Yeah, like I say, I would like to do a drop test on this, but with never had one. He says it does not have a propane furnace either. It's got the heat pump on the roof, and it's got the on-demand water heater for hot water. That's your air conditioning and your heat. And it has a place for an outside grill. So yeah, somebody must have special ordered this without a furnace. I've never known them to build an RV without a furnace, without a propane furnace. So yeah, we should be good here. Y'all be good. I know it's a quickie, but it was a quickie. Y'all have a great day, and we will catch you next time.